Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance 2.0 TDI M6F in sleek black. This estate jock Jeep is loaded with luxury and safety features, from air conditioning to lane departure warning. Stay connected with Bluetooth phone and satellite navigation, while staying safe with multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. With a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission, this Tiguan is a powerhouse on the road. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information. Drive in style and safety with the Tiguan Elegance.